I think this is working.
And I can't find the green Velcro. I've put it in here. I thought I'd tell you, one of us might remember.
Right then, this is where we play this game again. Let's just position it over there. Right, if you'd like to you need to hold the body somewhere, don't you?
Oh, yeah. I forgot that.
Right then, we'll try this one. Have to stretch it a bit. That's not going to be any good. That's actually don't know which way it's got to turn either. That way. That's slipping at this end. That's not good. Right, so that one's not going to work. This one. This is 3-1, so that is 200 turns at 3-1, so that should be 600 turns. What I didn't do was recheck the trimming before we did anything. So we've absolutely no idea what we're going to do. It's climbing now. I suppose you can't see it. That's in a thermal. Well, I think we caught some warm air there.
No idea if I managed to capture it that way.
Well, I gave it 600 turns. It should be able to take up to 1,000 or more. And initially it was just about holding its own. But I think it caught some warm air there, because it started climbing and the band had run out. So it was still climbing in a thermal. Luckily it came down before we got to the road. So I think the safest thing is call that a day. It works, but there's just enough breeze to take it across towards the road. So I'd have to go miles that way to keep it within bounds. So it works. I hope I got something with these sunglasses.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.